Hey, to search within a channel on the YouTube application, you actually cannot do this, but if you want to still search on your mobile phone, you have to open the Google Chrome. Now from here you will have to open the main website and type m.youtube.com. Now tap to go and you will open the desktop application of the YouTube. And now from here, let's say that I want to search for the Jerry Ring Everything channel. And now when I click on this channel, I can actually click on this icon, on this small icon right here, and I can go to the search. So for example, I can search for the iPhone, then I can tap go. And as you can see here, I can find all the iPhone videos that are on the Jerry Ring Everything channel. So this icon appears right here on the right corner of this all tabs. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.